Hello, I am Hiren Singhala from Maryland, Washington DC area, Metro. By education wise, I am an engineer. I work in IT and I have my own personal business. But I came for the VantagePoint Summit in 2025. But it's very amazing. It's like the way it's home away from home, and the way they give the knowledge, the way they teach you, right? It's kind of very thoroughly, and they teach you discipline, consistency, and everything, how you do the trades and how you make the money and how you make the difference in people's lives and in your including your family. But you love it, it makes a big difference, and it's all family environment. You enjoy everything, the way they treat you, like it's kind of a homely. This is my first summit, yes, and I'm planning to come maybe next year again. Yeah, that is my thing. I encourage the live training. All the questions you have will be answered there. I know that there are a lot of things to learn, right? So I keep asking all my concierge and all this, but everybody is very helpful. Anybody gives me the right answer all the time, and slowly they are teaching me how you look at it, how you move forward, how you move progress. That's the key. So it really works. There is no doubt about it.